Okay, guys, so real quick, I did a few workouts, not even a lot, and I feel like I am already sweating with the Vicks Vapor Rub. Like, my stomach is on fire. And when I say a few minutes, I was probably only working out for about 10 minutes. But I just want to go ahead and unravel this real quick just to see if
this really does get you sweating fast.
because, like I said, my stomach is on fire right now. So, let's see. Let me get this thing unwrapped, y'all. Woo-wee! Oh my God, guys. I've literally only been working out for 10 minutes, and I am already sweating. Oh my God. Let me see if I can put some light on that. Guys, this is real. I'm already sweating. And that's not even the Abilene, guys. Like, this is truly sweat on my stomach. For real. That's after 10 minutes of working out, guys. So imagine doing a full 30 minutes to an hour workout with full intensity, how much you're going to sweat. I promise you guys, this works. This is definitely going to help get those abs down, guys. Just be consistent and eat right, and you're going to notice the changes. And I'm going to make sure I do the same thing so I can notice the changes and get rid of these love handles, okay? Thank you again for watching. Have a good one. Hey guys, welcome back. Purple 6 here with Fit with Purple 6. Alright, today's segment is going to be weight loss hacks and tips. So today I want to come with a video just showing you guys a great hack for your stomach, aka tip for weight loss in your stomach area. So this tip is to help you get rid of bloat, and it also trims down the belly area as well. So what am I talking about, guys? I am talking about the infamous Vicks Vapor Rub hack, okay? So I know you guys have heard of Vapor Rub as well as Abilene. I know you've heard those two things, rubbing on your stomach, and when you work out it helps you sweat. And there's even some companies out there right now, I know, like Sweet Sweat and a few other companies. I think the Flat Tummy Tea company even has something as well that you could use as far as rubbing on your stomach. That way you can lose sweat.
Guys, excuse me if I'm everywhere, like, I feel like I'm jibber-jabbering for some reason, but
You get what I'm saying. Basically, this, I just want to come over here to prove to you guys that Vicks Vapor Rub is really a good option to use if you're not able to go out there and buy Abilene, Sweet Sweat, all those other companies that has the sweat thing. This is really good, and it does indeed work. So I want to try to come back with a video to actually show you guys how wet it actually makes me and how much it makes me sweat. So stay tuned for that, guys. But basically, I just want to do an instructional video just to show you guys exactly what to do in order to get the results that you're supposed to get. So what you're going to need, like I said, is some Vicks Vapor Rub. I just have this size jar here, but get any size jar you need. And then I also have my waist trainer right here. Now this waist trainer is by a company called Hopalin. I ordered this one from Amazon.com. As you can see, I've worn this one a lot because it looks worn. But this is my waist trainer that I work out in, aka sweatband. And of course, you're gonna need your saran wrap. So this is very key in making sure that that sweat happens. So guys, I've been doing this for probably about 2 weeks now, and I can really say that I've noticed a difference. Like when I look at my stomach before versus now, don't get it twisted, I still have certain areas I need to work on. Like if you look at my abs right now, they are coming down, but a big problem area for me, now back up, as I said on one of my other videos, is these love handles, baby. My goodness, if I can get rid of these love handles, I'm gonna be in the game. But stay tuned, guys, because I'm working just as much as you guys are as far as trying to get in shape and well, back in shape because I've been in shape before. So now I'm just working to get back to what I know. So yeah, right now I'm just working to get rid of these love handle, guys. Now, since I've been using Abilene, I can say that I've noticed, or not Abilene, excuse me, Vicks. I've noticed that my stomach has went down as far as like this part here. My lower abs are still there, but it's coming down slowly but surely. But as you can see, I still got these love handles that I'm trying to get rid of, okay? So that's the main reason why I've really been using Vicks Vapor Rub on my stomach. So let's get to the video showing you what to do. Okay, first things first, as far as, well, step one. Step one is to first, any type of clothing that you have on, make sure that that is out of the way, because I don't want to get this on your clothes. Well, we don't want to get this on your clothes. The downside of Vicks Vapor Rub, guys, it does have a very, very strong smell, so keep in mind that this is going to be all on your hands, but just be sure you wash your hands very, very well when you're done, okay? So what I normally do is I just dip my hands in there, one of my fingers, not all my fingers, okay? And I just start right here. Let me get a little closer for you guys. And really, this is self-explanatory. But all I'm gonna do is go ahead and just start rubbing this all over the problem areas, especially. Ooh, y'all, and it's strong, trust me. It's gonna be strong now, get it twisted. So yeah, I'm just rubbing this on my problem areas mainly. Like, I want to make sure that I get rid of some fat right here. So I rub it on the side right there. And it has actually helped get rid of some of my back fat, actually. So that's all you do. I don't use a whole lot, guys. As you can see, I probably used a little bit with the Vicks Vapor Rub. It already has like this cooling effect to it. So you're going to already out top notice your stomach starts to get like this burning sensation. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping our stomach with our saran wrap. Okay. So we got our saran wrap open. So the thing is, the problem is when I work out, I notice that my saran wrap tends to roll up, and by the time I take off my waist trainer, my saran wrap's above the problem area. So what I've started doing is I will go just like a little bit underneath my belly button, and then I'll start wrapping. Just because, like I said, when I work out, I notice that it rises. Now, when you guys wrap, be sure you're holding your abs in, just because you want this to be tight. Okay, so this almost needs to give you like the feel of having on a waist trainer. It shouldn't be loose at all. So I went around a couple of times, more than a couple, maybe about 3 times. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. So that's all I use as far as the saran wrap. You don't really need a whole lot of saran wrap to, in order to start getting the sweating effect. But this is the wrap. I didn't quite get the fat right here, but that's okay, because we're gonna have our waist trainer on, so that's gonna help suck some of that in, okay? So that's it for that. The most important step is the waist trainer, guys. So I'm gonna say that this is the #1 thing you need to make sure you have before you get anything else. Your waist trainer, just because this is going to increase the sweat. Also, this is going to make sure that the saran wrap stays in place as well, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put on the waist trainer. Now, our sweatband, whatever you prefer to call it. Mine in particular actually has 3 different methods, type of sweatbands in one. So it has your traditional corset type, as you can see there. And right now I am on hook number 2. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And me personally, guys, I love this waist trainer when it comes to working out, just because this here in particular has showed, I've sweated the most, put it that way. I've tried every type of sweatband waist trainer there was, and this one to me just has given me the best results when it comes to sweating. So that's step one. As you can see, we have it buttoned up down the middle. The second step with this one is to simply zip it up, and I like this. This here really gets me, and I love it because that we can ensure it's really, you know, tucked in there. It's not gonna come apart. So the zipper by itself would allow you to be able to wear this underneath like formal clothes, but just because you have this extra flap here, you can't wear this underneath the regular clothes, okay? Unless you got like a big old t-shirt on. But the final step here, just to make it even tighter, this is like the traditional sweatband that everyone's used to. You just simply bring this around. Bam! There you go. So guys, that's all you do. So after you work out, and like I said, right now, you literally should start to feel, it may not be right now, but probably give it another 10 minutes or so, you're gonna start to feel your stomach actually starting to burn before you start to do anything. And that's word, promise you that, I promise. So that's it, guys, for the most part. That's just my steps on what to do to kind of help get rid of some bloat, also help lose some weight, get rid of some fat in your stomach. Let me know how this works out for you guys, because like I said, it has helped me lose a little bit of fat in my stomach. I'm still a work in progress, but when I get to that tip-top shape, the way I want to look, trust me, you guys will be the first to know, okay? All right, thank you again for watching, and be sure you rate, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye-bye.